Automatrics MTrack theft recovery operation. It's Sunday the 23rd of September 2018. We're on our way to recover another 1 tonne high lift dumper. It's a Thwaites dumper that was stolen on the 14th of August 2018. So it's probably 5 weeks ago that this was stolen, and it's taken amount of time for the tracker to connect live. We did get a couple of small flickers from the unit a few weeks back, but we believe it's been sort of hidden away off the mobile network. It's probably been sold by the bandit who stole the unit, but we're heading our way now to Snowdonia National Park. That's where the sale sites come in. Now, it came in late last night, early this morning. We haven't actually contacted the owner yet, the customer, so we're going to give him a call shortly and obviously give him some good news. We're on the M6 toll at the moment. This is the only toll road in the UK. About £7 to do that. Cuts out a lot of traffic. Right, is it still communicating all right on the tracker?
Absolutely fine, yeah.
Same location, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely the same.
So yeah, we're going to give the customer a call, and I'm sure he's going to be chuffed. So he may actually get to that location and collect the vehicle today, all being well.
Hello.
Oh, hiya Martin, it's Richard from Automatrics.
All right.
Yeah, I'm all right. I've got some good news for you.
Have you? What's that, mate?
Yeah. So the tracking unit connected late last night, early this morning.
Right.
And it's still showing in Snowdonia National Park area.
All right, is it? Blimey.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah. I mean, if we can just say to the police to recover it. If you don't want to come out, they can recover it.
Well, whichever's easier. I mean, if you locate it, give me a ring, and I'll, if needs be, I'll come down for it.
Well, it may be that's probably the best thing, I think, and then it gives you all the options, doesn't it?
Okay. And how accurate is the GPS? You're within.
Well, I think we've got it narrowed down to one property, so.
Right.
Yeah, but even if we just send the police there, then we don't think they'd be able to see it. And then they'd need a search warrant if the owner was going to be funny. They'd need a search warrant, whereas if we go in with the handheld radio receiver, they won't need a search warrant because we've got the signal there live, and they can just, follow it. I mean, if the owner of the house has got any issues with that, then obviously he's involved with the theft, I would have thought. So I think he should let us in. He's probably they're probably an innocent victim, but we just have to see how the story goes. So I've just taken a call from the customer, and he suggested that he starts heading out towards this site so that he can pick it up on his trailer so that we'll have no delays once we get there. It's a bit risky allowing the customer to come out before we've even got the police there, but I don't think he'll be in attendance until we've actually got the police in that location. So we've just come into Wales. We're about 38 miles away. That'll take us about 55 minutes to go through. These roads are quite rural. We haven't called the police yet. We're not going to call the police until we pick up the ERF signal, just to be 100% sure. So we need that there. Yeah, so that's the magnetic roof antenna to go on the roof. There's a train in the background. Just heading out of Betsy Coed. Somebody's there. Lay-by just past this property on the right hand side. We can park in there if we pick the RF up and call the police from that. Oh, we've already got it. 1.9 miles. 2 miles. So it's just through this village from the other side, where we go through the village, and then there should be a lay-by on the right-hand side. So what I'm going to have to do is call the police from this location. I'm not going to walk around at the moment until I've first called the police, because they could take, what, 45 minutes or an hour to get here, but at least I got the RF. I couldn't call the police before I got the RF because I wouldn't have been able to lead them in. So we've got to do it in this right sequence.
Diolch am alw 111. Thank you for calling 101. I glywed dewisiadau yn y Gymraeg, pwyswch seren. For options in Welsh, press star.
No, I don't think I'm going to be needing any Welsh today. I'm tracking down a stolen dumper truck piece of plant equipment.
Okay.
I've located it.
And who do you believe had the vehicle?
Well, it was stolen on the 14th of August, and it's only connected to our tracker today. So it's been stashed away somewhere. That's in the... I can't pronounce it. This. I'll give you the name. Yeah, that's it. So, that's so it's only about 200 yards outside of that, and there's a little lay-by. There's only one lay-by, and I'm parked up in that.
Okay, no problem. I'll get on the screen for you, and I'll give you a quick call back shortly then, Richard.
Thank you very much. Oh, that sounds promising. They're going to call me back in a couple of minutes. I would expect them maybe to be 45 minutes to an hour, but we'll just see if they're going to attend. Obviously, I'm here, so they've got a guarantee to have some help to go in and find this. So, yeah, so far so good.
Hello.
Hi, Martin. It's only Richard.
How you doing?
All right, just to let you know, I arrived about 5 or 10 minutes ago here. I'm parked in a lay-by just as you come through the village.
Yeah.
I have got the RF signal picked up, so that's good. So that's why I wanted to make sure I got that before I called the police.
Okay.
All right.
If you do, you may have already called them, but it is data tagged as well. I don't know if you're aware.
Oh, I didn't know it was data tagged as well. So whether that's oh, is that the Caesar triangle you're on about?
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah. So the Caesar triangular number plate. Well, that'll be interesting to see if that's still on it, won't it?
Yeah.
Obviously, the police have arrived. So they've arrived quite quickly. That was great, and the customers arrived with his trailer. But we're just waiting here because this isn't exactly the force that's going to go up. They don't look after this area. They were just passing by, and at the moment they're on about just walking up there and having a word with the owner. But I'm trying to get on board. So maybe the other police will be more receptive and we'll be able to get on board. Otherwise we won't get a big reveal. We'll only get up there to collect it.
At the moment, because it's not clear cut, there's going to be probably more investigations that need to be done in relation to... He's going to have to show his documentation, obviously, of how he's bought it and such like. So we'll go up and have a chat, and I've got a picture of the machinery, so we'll see what he knows, and then... you know, if we need any more assistance from you, if you hang fire here for now, then you can always shoot at them. Yeah. I've taken pictures.
There we go. That's the result. Here's the data tag number.
Data tag missing. Oh, there. Oh, it is there. One of them is there.
There's the data tag number 4782TZ. So they've removed the serial plate.
What number's the office? Stolen from their yard up there.
So that is their direct number, and they would see officers and going to the plate. They call them. As soon as the traffic connects. So we got a good result there. Company probably just an innocent third party really, and we're just like, that's going to go back to Stafford as the officer said there. So Automatrics MTrack does it again on a Sunday in Wales.